Indian startups are estimated to have received $10.14 billion in funding across more than 1,200 deals in 2020, despite the COVID crisis. A report by consulting firm Hexagon said, even though the total investment received in 2020 is lower than that of 2019, $14.5 billion, the number of deals are higher by 20%, the report said. Weathering negative sentiment, seed stage investment deals grew by 50% from $353 million over the 420 deals in 2019 to $372 million over the 672 deals in 2020. This is a good sign for people looking to plunge into startups, as early stage investors are now keen to back risk taker early on, the reports noted. This can be attributed to the work done by Invest India, Startup India, Agni and over the agency of the Indian government to boost the investor confidence and entrepreneurial culture, it added. This is the third year in a row that India has kept its number of 4 position globally after the US, China and the UK. Globally, startups raised over the $308 billion in the funding, with the US garnering $165 billion. The report said Bengaluru, Delhi NCR, Mumbai accounted for 90% of the startup investment in the country, signaling concentration of angel investors and appetite in this region. Bengaluru led with $4.3 billion in startup investment, followed by Delhi NCR $3 billion and Mumbai $2 billion. In terms of the sector, e-commerce attracted the highest investment with $3 billion, followed by FinTech at $2.37 billion and EdTech at $1.52 billion. The biggest gainer has been the EdTech segment that grew 4 times this year from $380 million in 2019. However, sectors like transportation and logistics and travel and tourism saw more than 90% drop in the investment in 2020 as compared to the 2019. It added the startup that attracted the maximum funding in the 2020 include the Zomato $1.02 billion, Byju's $922 million, PhonePe $807 million, Unacademic $260 million and Ecom Express $250 million as per the Hexagon report. These numbers do not include funds raised by Jio platform, 1.52 lakh crore rupees in 2020. The report noted that these numbers are yearly guidance and this could be changes as more companies make announcement on fund received.